Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following video, I'm about to show you how you can change your location on Spotify. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. First of all, open up your Spotify application. As you open up your Spotify, this kind of interface might appear on your device. So over here, you'll have to tap on the profile icon, which is in the top right corner. As you tap on it, from the drop down menu, tap on account. Unfortunately, if you don't have a premium account, then you'll not be able to change your location. So in order to change your location, you must have a premium account. As you tap on account, and this kind of interface appear on your device. So over here, scroll down. You can see there is an account detail. So over here, what you have to do is you'll have to tap on edit profile in the bottom left corner. Now you'll be able to edit your profile, so you can see that you'll be able to change your email address or your password or any other information that is on your Spotify. And you can see right at the bottom there is a country or region. So in order to change it, just tap on it. You can see that I won't be able to change my location since I don't have a premium account. In case you have a premium account, then you'll be able to change your location from right over here. So there is an alternative. So what you can do is simply scroll up and then tap on account overview. So once you tap on it, once again there is a familiar interface. Scroll down. Now what you have to do is you'll have to change your plan. So for that, you'll have to tap on join premium. So next you'll have to join premium. So then you can see there are all the details. So after you join premium, so then right at the bottom you can see there's change country. So just tap on it. As you tap on it, right in center there's a pop-up. So over here you have a multiple options, so you can select on any one of the following options that you like. So after you're done, all you have to do is tap on save and you'll be able to change your location. So that is how you can change location on your Spotify application. So that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.